Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel named Ramanujan Academy 2020. Today topic integration. Chapter name integration. So many types are there. Here first type. This is first type. Type name term integration. I already gave integration formulas. So okay. Term integration means here there are four terms are there. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Term wise integrate. This symbol is called integration symbol. This term integration 2 dx. Integration I take 4 common x dx. Constant you take common 3. Take common sin x dx. Next here 4 take common e power x dx. Okay, 4 terms integration. Here 2 take common 2 integration dx. You already know formula integration dx equal to x. Integration dx formula x. So 2 take common integration dx x plus 4. This is x power 1. X power n formula you already know. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here this is n. X power n. Formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Next 3. Integration sin x. Integration sin x minus cos x. 4. E power x integration e power x. Next finally you add one constant c. So simplify this one. 2x plus 4 x square by 2 minus 3 cos x plus 4 e power x plus c. Here 2 table cancel, 2 4 cancel 2 times. So answer is 2x plus 2x square minus 3 cos x plus 4 e power x plus c. This is term integration. Type 2. Type 2 method name is called substitution method. Substitution method. Okay, this is question. Integration x cube e power x power 4 dx. I take x power 4. Name is called d. As in here differentiate this one dt by dx. Differentiation, this one differentiation. Question is integration. You take this is t. This t assumption you differentiate with respect to x. Right hand side x power n formula. This is n formula n x n minus 1. This is differentiation formula. Dx cross product x cube dx. This 4 cross product. 4 cross product dx cross product. I take this is first equation. You listen. This x cube dx. This is x cube dx dt by 4. I take again I write in question integration x cube e power x power 4 dx. E power x power 4. X power 4 assumption t. So I put x power 4 is t. X power 4 t. Balance x cube dx. This x cube dx dt by 4. Put dt by 4. I take 4 common. 1 by 4 common. Integration e power t dt. Here substitution method. Listen. Here question is x term. But here again question there comes t terms. So here x term, here t terms. Formula is e power x. E power x you already know. E power x, e power x. Same e power t. E power t is called e power t. Integration. Constant plus c. Finally substitute t value. T equal to x power 4. Substitute t equal to x power 4 in answer. So final answer is 1 by 4 e power x power 4 plus c. This is called substitution method. Next type 3. Actually this type use some formulas, trigonometry formulas use and then integrate. Okay, first integration. I split sin cube x is sin square x into sin x. Sin cube x, I split sin square x into sin x cos square x dx. Next sin square x, I already know one formula, 1 minus cos square x. Here I put 1 minus cos square x, already one cos square x, here sin x dx. Okay, next here use substitution method use in this sum. I take t equal to cos x. Differentiate this term, differentiate cos x, differentiate minus sin x dx cross product minus sin x dx. Both sides product negative value. So minus dt equal to right hand side, left hand side product minus sin. So positive sin x dx. Okay, I take this is first equation, this is positive. So first equation implies less than integration 1 minus cos x, you take t. So here 1 minus t square. Here also t square. Balance sin x dx. Name is called minus dt. I take minus common, t square product both terms. So t square product both terms, t square into 1 t square into t square, t power 4 dt. Next apply integration formula. You already know x power n, same formula t power n. You already know x power n formula t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. T power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Constant add plus c. Finally substitute t value. T already you know. You know t value, t equal to cos x. Substitute here. Minus cos cube x, here t cos x. Already power is cube. 3. Cos power 4x, 5 divided by 5 plus c. This is answer. I repeat once again. Sin cube x split sin square x into sin x. Cos square x already is that, so I write here. Sin square x formula you already studied in 10th standard. Sin square x formula 1 minus cos square x. Apply trigonometry formula here. Next I take, this is t. Cos x I take t, differentiate. Minus dt equal to integration sin x. Minus dt equal to sin x dx. This first equation implies 1 minus, you already know cos x is t, so t square. Here also t square. This balance term is already defined. Minus dt, substitute. Minus take common, then integrate. This is type 3. Next type 4. Type 4 name is called integration by quads. Actually this name, another name is called UDV method. Actually two functions are product here. This function is algebra function, this function is trigonometry function. I already told I rate one word. I rate means I means inverse, L means log, A means algebra, B means trigonometry, E means exponential. You check here x square is algebra, trigonometry, cos x is trigonometry. First algebra terms is that here A algebra first here, trigonometry second. So you take algebra term U, balance is called dV. You don't forget I and word. Okay, you take this is U is x square, dV equal to cos x dx. This side integration du by dx. Differentiation du by dx. X power n formula 2x 2 minus 1. Dx cross product. Du equal to 2x dx. You assume this is u side differentiate. V side dv equal to this one. Integrate this both sides. Left hand side integration, right hand side also integration. The integration d cancel. V equal to integration cos x. You already know formula. Integration cos x sin x. Say u dv. One formula is there. Integration u dv. Formula uv minus integration v du. This is formula. You apply the values in right hand side. Left hand side question u value x square, dv value cos x dx. Right hand side you already know u value x square. V value is sin x minus integration v value sin x, du is du equal to 2x dx. Okay, x square sin x, you take 2 common, x sin x dx. I take this is first equation. Reason is again product is there. This is u, this is d. Again product will apply. U dv method again use. Okay. Listen. I take this is first equation. Here integration x sin x dx. I take this value. First this value integrate. U dv. Again uv rule apply here. dv sin x dx. Here differentiate. du by dx. Differentiation of x 1. dx cross product. Here both sides integration. Integration d cancel, d equal to sin x integration minus cos x. Again use formula u dv. uv minus integration v du. Integration u dv here x sin x. U value v value x minus cos x minus cos x, du value dx. Here minus minus comes positive. So minus x cos x plus integration cos x. Integration cos x value sin x plus c. Here integration x sin x value is this one. Substitute in first equation. Finally you get answer. Okay, I write here answer. Final answer is first equation implies integration x square cos x dx. This is question. Right hand side x square sin x minus 2. This value already find. Here substitute minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Here minus 2 product these two terms. So final answer is x square sin x minus into minus plus 2x cos x minus 2 into sin x plus c. This is type 3 method. This type method name is called integration by parts. Thank you students. In this video type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 is there. You watch one or two times. Then only you understand very well. Thank you students.